Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to switch to selfie mode on a Vivitar Instaprint digital camera. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. Now, as you can see here, this is the Vivitar Instaprint digital camera, and if you want to switch to selfie mode, it is really easy to do. Basically, and I'll demonstrate in just a moment, but I'll tell you right now, you just have to press the down button, okay? The down button is the key factor here. So I'm going to turn the camera on, okay? I'll let it face you guys over here, okay? And I'm going to go into like a photo taking mode. So just give it a moment to load up. Okay, it's on photo right now, so I'm going to go into the photo mode. And as you can see right now, it's, this is my hand over here, so it's sort of facing outward over here. To change it to selfie mode, you're going to press the down button, which is right there. Press the down button, okay? And as you can see, it now switched to selfie mode. Look at that, that's crazy. Got all the screens upon screens upon screens. Anyways, that's the selfie mode over there. And if you want to switch out of selfie mode, you press the down button again, and it'll bring you back to sort of like a forward-facing mode, okay? And once again, to change to selfie mode, you press the down button when you're in the photo-taking sort of mode over there. And then to get out of selfie mode, you're going to press the down button again. So the down button is a key factor there to go sort of between selfie mode and not selfie mode. And what I'll do is I'll change to selfie mode right now. I'm going to go press the down button, and now it's facing me, okay? I'm going to take a picture like this. Just give me a moment. There we go. And... oh, sorry, I took the picture. I meant to print it out. I'm going to turn on print mode, and now I'm going to take another picture. And now, as you can see, in a moment, I took a selfie picture and on selfie mode, and I printed it out. So you can see over here, there I am, smiling. It's a picture that I just took right now. Really easy to do. And yeah, basically that's how to switch to selfie mode, and there I am smiling. What? Look, man, you know what? Like, whenever I look at myself in pictures, like, I'm really photogenic, and that was me not even trying. I'm just smiling there. I look great. Beautiful. Anyways, yeah, that's how to switch to selfie mode. Really easy to do, and I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial, and I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.